Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. It's a girl Bonnie. In today's video I am going to show you guys how to make yourself swimwears from scratch. Okay, I'm currently wearing the swimwears, okay? So the fabric that I use to make this swimwears is the same fabric that I used to make the red dress. This fabric, it's so stretchy. You can see it's stretchy. Yeah. So, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So, let's get right into the video, guys. Okay, so here is the stretchy red fabric. Then after that, I cut it into 2 equal pieces. Then from there, I folded the upper edges and the lower edges of each piece. The aim was to make the channels. After that, I made another channel, of which now we have 3 channels on each piece of the fabric. Okay, so I made 6 strips of the fabric, of which 3 is for one piece of the fabric and 3 for another. Then after that, I used a safety pin to insert each strip through each channel on each piece of the fabric. Here is a fabric, please don't mind the shape. I was about to use it for something else. Okay, so here I picked my swimwear underwear, should I call it an underwear or a panty? Yeah, so from there everything is more detailed. You can see there's no need for me to explain. Yeah, you can just keep on watching. Thank you so much guys for watching.